Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to John Barry. And we are going to react to the song The Old Woman, Somewhere in Time. That is, I think, movie name or something because it seems to be the OST of Somewhere in Time.
Yeah, this is the first time single take honest reaction. What we do on Inoma is that we listen to music without pausing the song in between while listening to it, as every music lover should. We share a pure, raw, honest, unscripted, spontaneous opinion on the songs that we've heard as soon as the song is completed. We have a vastly different cultural upbringing and ethos than most of our listeners and viewers. We are a young married couple from Mumbai, India, who listen to music from totally different parts of the world. You know, John Barry, by the name, it sounds like it might be someone from the West. So we listen to music from all parts of the world basically. But this music is usually requested to by patrons. So you can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us and how to request reactions on our channel. For now, let's get started. We'll share our honest, unscripted, pure, raw opinion of listening to this song for the first time, what we think of it, what we liked, and if we didn't like something, we also mention that because that's part of who we are. We try to be as honest and real and genuine as possible because every music lover who listens to music, for example me, if I like a song and if someone is sharing their honest opinion about it as a fellow music lover, I won't, want to hurt him or harm him or mock him or belittle him or insult him just because he doesn't like what I like. I would like to know more what he likes and why, what he doesn't like. I'm not here to, belittle, mock, insult any of these artists or musicians, but I'm definitely here to say what I don't connect with, what I don't relate to, what I don't like, and I also am here to say what I love about it whenever I do. And so is Kirti. It's her channel, it's her guidelines mainly, it's her cultural upbringing and ethos that guides us every single step of the way. We wouldn't have come this far without Kirti's very strong moral network on the inside, so to speak. Without that, we wouldn't be this far. Let's see if she has something to say before we start, and we'll get started.
We're going to react to The Old Woman. Let's hope it is going to be something interesting and fascinating. I look forward to music and I look forward to lyrics that are somewhere relatable to a person who's not living in that atmosphere, not living in that country, not living on that land, but I yet connect with something. And I have found that a lot. I found mostly so many songs that we have liked, all of those songs I connect with them, whether I'm there from the place or I'm from a different culture and different locality, different country altogether. But human beings have so many common things among them that we don't really have to find uncommon things to fight with each other or bicker about. I think we have enough common things to connect with each other and embrace each other.
Yeah, we all have the same skeletal structure and more or less similar blood groups on the inside. So we have similar skeletal structure and similar blood groups all over the world. We are all connected on the inside.
DNAs are the same.
Heart, body, mind and soul. Our brains look alike. So does our heart. My heart may be slightly obese, more obese than most of the world, but we are all the same essentially. On that note, with that lengthy introduction, it's very important for a first time viewer to have a better understanding of our channel and us. Else, whenever we comment on something, especially if it's something that you are startled by or upset by
that
or don't connect with, definitely you will understand it more when we have these introductory, I won't call it a lecture, but an introductory session before the actual reaction starts. It's a short song, so I know it's a slightly longer introduction than we would have liked. But once again, it's totally unscripted, spontaneous and impromptu. It's all single take, by the way. Every single reaction video on Inoma is a single take recording, which means there's no pauses ever in a recording on Inoma. Any reaction video on Inoma, there is no pause unless the next recording is started. Always uncut. And that's beautiful. It's hard work, by the way. It's not that easy to sit here and do it in one go. It seems easy because that's the way we are. That's the way we connect. That's the way we communicate. And that's the way we love music and understand music. Let's get started. is a masterpiece in my opinion. Masterpiece, so sweet, so gentle, so soft, so serene, so blissful. I'm done. I loved it, and I can't wait to listen to it again. Let's see what the pure reactor on our channel has to say about it.
This is scintillating. This is scintillating stuff. I like the music. Music does not need any language. Music is a language by itself. And when you listen to pure music, you realize if you can connect with it, you will realize the language. You will realize on what levels it connects with you. There are so many things. There are so many things that today's time people and in this advanced world, so many people are unaware of the basic things. And I don't, at times, I find it difficult to express things without the opposite person who's supposed to be listening to me, without having that person having any clue about what I'm trying to say. When we speak about music and the effect of it on a human mind, on a human body, on a human fluid system and everything, people think we only have one intelligence system in our body, and that is right here. There is no other intelligence in the entire body. But how wrong is that? How wrong is that? Because, and if you want to, take it a little further, people will say, yeah, we have 5 senses, and yeah, we can see and we can taste and we can touch it and we can listen to it and we can feel it. So what is so, hear it, and what is so big deal about it? There are many more dimensions of taking things in, which unfortunately isn't taught in schools, isn't taught in cultures, it isn't taught in colleges, nowhere. And people are unaware of all of those dimensions that people use to connect with things. Now, music like this, you may not listen to it through the language, but that music is understood and taken in by a person via at least 16 other senses in the body. Now, I'm not going to talk about the 16 senses because this is not a yogic class or something, but we have so many ways, so many input ways for everything to come into the body.
Yeah, so many avenues, so many facets, so many methods of connecting with the world around us. Yeah, this was beautiful. This was on the solemn side of things. It sounded sad at times, as if someone is grieving. Or someone is like on the deathbed.
Yeah,
sounded
more
that way. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I wonder when it plays in the movie. I'll definitely catch up on this movie the next time I get an opportunity.
We call it remorse or relent or something like that.
Not remorse.
What is that? One more word with R on a similar level, something like that. Resentment. No.
Not resentment, not remorse. Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about, but it was definitely it definitely sounded a bit sad, and it was so beautiful. Beautifully sad and wonderfully melancholic. This was beautiful music to listen to, so short, so sweet. This is the way I love it. I'll definitely listen to this many more times, and I'm sure Kirti might join me also. It's something nice to listen to. Though I'll have to watch the movie and see how it fits into the movie.
Somewhere in time.
And whether we are right or wrong, someone's dying, what is the scene like? Is it sad? It definitely can't be a happy scene when this plays.
I'm saying, when you are not satisfied with what you have done in your life, and that feeling of maybe you're not going to have the time and you're about to die or something like that. That feeling, I'm not getting the word right now. It's completely out of my mind. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, we'll end this reaction on that note. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us or to request reactions with us. This was a Patreon request, and it's by David C. Thanks for this request. This is the kind of music we love listening to. Short, sweet, memorable, beautiful, something that moves us on the inside. May not be seen on the face completely, but it definitely moves us on the inside. Beautiful music.